Human history dates back thousands of years, and since then, humans have found various ways to survive. Early humans obtained their food through hunting, gathering, and foraging before the advent of agriculture. The pre-agricultural period refers to the time before humans engaged in farming, during which people relied on natural resources to procure their food. Early humans obtained their food by gathering and hunting. They collected fruits, nuts, roots, and leaves as their food sources. Hunting and fishing also played a significant role in their survival. Early humans lived in small groups and relied on hunting and gathering for their sustenance. During this period, humans also had close relationships with animals. Early humans used animals for hunting, utilizing their skins for various purposes. Animals were also used as a source of food. Early humans discovered fire, which enabled them to cook their food. The pre-agricultural period was a significant phase in human existence. Early humans successfully sustained themselves by utilizing natural resources to procure their food. During this period, humans developed their relationships with natural resources. Hunting, fishing, and foraging became essential means of survival for humans. The lives of early humans were significantly different from our modern lifestyle. However, this period played a crucial role in the development of human civilization and laid the foundations for our current agricultural and food systems. How were the first agricultural practices developed, and how influential were they in the development of modern agriculture? What changes did the biotechnological revolution bring to the agricultural sector, and what were the consequences of these changes? How does sustainable agriculture differ from modern agricultural practices, and what opportunities does it offer for the future of the agricultural sector? For all this and more, before starting the video, if you're interested in universal economic history, you can subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications to be informed about new videos I upload every day. Enjoy the watch.
Universal economic history.
The spread of agriculture refers to the transition from hunting and gathering to settled agricultural societies. It encompasses the rise of civilizations and the widespread adoption of agriculture worldwide. Around 10,000 years ago, humans began practicing agriculture in Mesopotamia, present-day Iraq. The cultivation of grains such as wheat, barley, and legumes, along with the development of animal husbandry, marked the initial stages of agriculture. Ancient Egypt had advanced agricultural practices due to its rich agricultural lands in the floodplains of the Nile River. In China, agriculture began around 5,000 years ago. The Chinese cultivated various crops such as rice, wheat, millet, soybeans, and vegetables. In Europe, during the Roman Empire, agriculture flourished. The Romans utilized large areas for olive trees, vineyards, grain fields, orchards, and animal husbandry. During the Middle Ages, the Islamic world became an important center for agricultural development. Agricultural techniques were improved and disseminated by Islamic scholars. The Industrial Agricultural Revolution was a period from the late 18th century to the mid-19th century marked by significant changes in agricultural practices and increased production facilitated by the development of agricultural machinery. This led to higher agricultural output and increased food availability. At the beginning of the Industrial Agricultural Revolution, the development of new technologies became crucial for increasing agricultural production. The production of agricultural machinery surged, and various tools such as tractors, combine harvesters, rakes, plows, seed drills, and fertilizers were invented. These machines allowed for faster and more efficient land cultivation and crop cultivation. Another important aspect of the Industrial Agricultural Revolution was the increased use of chemical fertilizers. Chemical fertilizers expedited plant growth and enhanced harvest yields. This enabled greater food production. The Industrial Agricultural Revolution also led to increased efficiency in agricultural production and the commercialization of agricultural activities. The biotechnological revolution has brought significant changes to the agricultural sector in recent years. It involves the use of genetic modification technologies that allow for genetic alterations in plants, leading to the development of desired traits. Genetic modification technologies enable the enhancement of plant resistance to diseases, increased productivity, improved nutritional value, and extended shelf life. These technologies improve the quality of agricultural products and enable higher yields. Compared to traditional farming methods, genetic modification offers several advantages. For instance, it can reduce water requirements for certain crops, contributing to water conservation. Additionally, genetic modification allows for the development of traits that prevent plant destruction by pests, thereby reducing the need for chemical pesticides and minimizing environmental harm. Sustainable agriculture refers to a farming approach that aims to use natural resources sustainably, preserve the environment, and leave a livable world for future generations. It can be implemented through nature-friendly farming methods and ecological farming. Nature-friendly farming aims to preserve natural resources while engaging in agriculture. This approach involves maintaining the natural structure and fertility of the soil. Instead of using chemical fertilizers and harmful pesticides, organic fertilizers and natural pest control methods are employed. This enhances soil fertility, preserves water resources, and reduces environmentally harmful waste. Ecological farming focuses on maintaining the natural ecosystem while engaging in agriculture. It emphasizes preserving the diversity of plant and animal species. Natural regulatory systems of plants are utilized, and natural methods are employed for pest control. Livestock is raised in accordance with their natural habitats, considering their welfare. Ecological farming helps preserve ecosystems and increases biodiversity. Food security refers to ensuring access to healthy and sufficient food for all individuals. However, challenges in agriculture, such as increasing world population and climate change, have made food security an even more significant concern. With the rapid growth of the global population, food production and consumption have increased. The agricultural sector constantly requires innovations to produce more and secure food supplies. However, challenges in agriculture are also on the rise. Climate change is one of the most significant factors affecting agricultural production and food security worldwide. Climate change leads to increased occurrences of droughts, floods, storms, and other natural disasters that negatively impact agricultural production. Moreover, extreme temperatures, frost, and hailstorms reduce crop yields. Agriculture is a fundamental source of sustenance for humans, and as the world population continues to grow, the future of agriculture is expected to evolve with high technological advancements. Technological innovations used in agricultural production are constantly being developed and are anticipated to further advance in the future, enhancing sustainability and efficiency. Technologies such as agricultural robotics, unmanned aerial vehicles, automated irrigation and fertilization systems, artificial intelligence, sensors, and other emerging technological advancements are already being employed in the agricultural sector. These technological developments contribute to making agriculture more efficient, sustainable, and time-saving for farmers. In the future, artificial intelligence, sensors, and smart farming technologies are expected to be more extensively used in the agricultural sector. These technologies will enable precise irrigation and fertilization based on the specific needs of plants, reduce the use of agricultural chemicals, protect natural habitats, and effectively combat diseases and pests. Agriculture is not only crucial for food production but also has significant social and economic impacts. Globally, agriculture serves as a source of livelihood for about half of the world's population, playing a vital role in employment and income distribution. The exportation of agricultural products contributes to the economies of many countries, forming a substantial portion of their revenue. Agriculture also holds a significant place in the cultural and social life of many nations. Agricultural activities help preserve cultural heritage and traditional practices. Additionally, social impacts of agriculture encompass food culture, social justice and equality, rural development, interactions between rural and urban communities, and migration-related issues. Global food trade involves the import and export of agricultural products between countries. As the world population continues to grow, the importance of global food trade in ensuring food security and availability becomes increasingly evident. Agricultural products rank among the most traded commodities worldwide. A significant portion of food product trade occurs between industrialized and developing countries. The increased trade of agricultural products can contribute to the development of many countries by stimulating economic growth. However, food trade can also pose risks to food security in certain nations. In conclusion, global food trade plays a vital role in food security, agricultural sectors, economic development, and food policies worldwide. Balanced and sustainable agricultural product trade is crucial for ensuring food security and sustainability. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, please hit the like button. If there's a specific video you'd like me to make on economic history, don't forget to mention it in the comments section. I wish everyone a pleasant day.
Universal economic history.